I'm most excited about is the condominium project.
Right, sir. This is actually the very first beachfront condominium here in San Juan, Batangas. So that's the building.
Okay, so sige, let's take a look the bigger scale model ni Spinnaker. So the name of our condominium project is Spinnaker.
Right, sir.
Bakit kaya Spinnaker, ma'am?
Imagine a boat. So yung kanyang pinaka-sail, yung mahampas sa water, sa hangin. So it's actually the turbocharger of the yacht.
Wow.
The name Spinnaker derived from that sailing
Concept.
of the boat, the concept.
Oh.
There's a lot of condominium development around the Philippines. No, you go to Boracay, you go to Palawan,
Yes.
but you have to drive to go to the beach. But here in Spinnaker, you just have to go out of your unit. It's a bare, it's just a stone throw away to go to the
Yes. Sa beach, no? Sobrang beachfront. And I believe every units, you have the view of the beach.
Yes, sir. Lahat po ng units has its own balcony, so you'll enjoy the view of the beach and the mountain. On the other side, these are the units facing east, morning sun. So, lahat may balcony. You have the view of the beach club and the sea.
And aside sa, of course, we believe very premium yung quality. But what is interesting here is yung architectural niya, no, ma'am? Ang sobrang unique niya.
Yes, it's Datem, our contractor. They are well-known contractor in the Philippines, no? You see the design, what you call this, and also the amenities is there. Whatever the amenities that we have in BGC, Makati, meron din yan in the future Spinnaker condominium. These amenities will be located at the 6th level.
6th level.
That's the infinity pool, the kids playground, the spa, the gym, and we also have the sky ballroom located at the 23rd floor. Also, for the busy people na ayaw mag-land travel or by sea, you can use the helipad at the 24th floor.
Sosyalin naman tayo. May pa-helipad tayo dito, no, ma'am?
And this is 100% genset. Hindi mo mararamdaman ang brownout. And it's Wi-Fi ready. That's why you can literally work from the beach setup.
Oh, that's nice. Kasi ngayon, the lifestyle is changing na din, no, ma'am? From like sa mga dito sa mga cities, but right now nag-shift na talaga yung mga tao into like gusto nila very nature yung vibe, malapit sa sa mga beach. So this one is really perfect for yun nga, sa lifestyle na gusto mong mangyari, no?
Yes, at saka Sir Alan, may option ka sa Spinnaker whether you want to keep the unit for residential purposes or hotel purposes. So again, there's an income opportunity on the side because you can have it enrolled sa ating millennial resorts. That's our property management that will handle the lease.
So that being said, ano ba yung mga available units that we have here? So we have
studio units,
how many square
bedroom.
meter kaya yung studio natin?
The studio unit is a typical 36.6 square meters. That's
malaki
the
na din
size. Same size sa mga hotel sa Manila. So malaki na siya. And then yung aming 1 bedroom is already sold out. We still have 2 bedroom and 3 bedroom units located at the beachfront and at the back of the building. So it depends on the location. This is actually for as low as 130,000 per month. For a studio unit. And what's within the studio unit are the basic appliances included. No, we have refrigerator, induction cooktop, range hood. You have provisions for washer and dryer and air condition.
So semi-furnished na din siya,
Correct.
no,
It's finished and semi-furnished. Basically, konti na lang yung furnitures na ilalagay mo. Then you can already move in.
So I'm really curious about sa pricing talaga. When it comes sa price per square meter, as of today, mga how much, ma'am?
That's ranging average of 351,000 per square meter.
So it depends on the unit that they will gonna
Depends on the unit and the location. So again, that's for as low as 100,000 per month or 130,000 per month. for studio unit.
And also,
so kayang-kaya niyo yan.
Hindi pa naman kasi sila huli because there's still room for capital appreciation.
Right.
Kasi we just really launched, diba, last year.
We just launched it last year and appreciated it.
Last year, 2023. Kasi as of today's video recording, it's already March 2024. But again, we still have room for capital appreciation.
Yes. And consistent po kami price increase every year.
Oh.
So, yung investment po ninyo nag-grow. Sir, this area is the ground level. We have 2 concierge, one for the unit owners, and the other one is for the guests. Just in case you'll enroll your unit into a property management. And then, we have ample parking spaces. The parking podium are located at the second and 10th floor. So, the unit, you have to purchase separately, no? It doesn't come with the
unit.
We are also offering what you call the storage unit, motorcycle parking. So meron din kami dyan kasi we have clients na into a big bike cabin. And aside from that, part of the sustainability, we have EV, vehicle charging station.
That's so nice and so very amazing na project na to.
In addition to that, sir, part din ng sustainability natin, we will be using double piping. Meaning, yung isa is irrigation or flushing of toilet, yung isa is potable. So, it's double piping, meaning potable and non-potable system.
Wow! So, may ganun din pala kayong ginawa to make it more sustainable, no? So, yeah. And yun nga, what I really love is pagkababa mo is beach na din talaga. No?
Dagat na po siya, sir. And to add, we are not building boxes. This is distinctly curated, as I mentioned a while ago, meaning it's a thoughtfully designed quality building that we will deliver to your clients. Sir Alan, maganda rin po itong kabilang side ng building natin. No? Kung medyo romantic, they want the afternoon sun. This is facing sunset. You have the view of the sea and the mountain. The mountain is Mount Daguldul and Mount Lobo. So we still have available unit on this side.
Wow! So very nature din talaga din yung vibe.
Yes. So you have the combination of the sea and mountain. Parang yung aming road, it's blue road. It's blue to the core.
Oo nga ma'am, napansin ko it's color blue. Bakit color blue? And I believe ini-import nyo pa yata yung materials.
Yes, it's quality na semento, no? Basically, it's, as I've mentioned, it's blue to the core, the color of the sea and the sky.
Yeah, that's nice. So, ayun ma'am, I'm very excited also to show them around. So, kung ano na yung current development dito. So, let's give them an actual tour. So, what are you waiting for? Come on, let's go.
Let's go to the beach.